Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Real Talk English. I'm Sarah, and I'm happy you are here today. Today's story is about winter, real American winter. It's about Anna. She moved to Michigan 1 year ago. She has never seen a big snowstorm before. In Michigan, winter is very cold, very snowy. One November day, Anna hears surprising news. A big snowstorm is coming. A blizzard. She feels scared. She doesn't know what to do. But her friend Maria helps her. And her neighbor helps her too. This story is slow. It is real. And it will help you understand what winter in America is really like. So relax, get comfortable, and let's begin. Good morning. It's 7 a.m. Still dark outside, very cold. I'm in my kitchen, making breakfast. Toast with butter, hot coffee. The floor is cold under my feet. I turn on the TV. Just for the sound. It makes the house feel less empty.
Good morning, everyone. This is Channel 7 Weather. I'm Tom Mitchell. Today will be cold. Around 28 degrees Fahrenheit. That's -2 Celsius. But tonight, a big winter storm is coming. This is a blizzard, folks. Heavy snow, 12 to 18 inches. That's 30 to 45 centimeters. Very strong winds. You won't be able to see when you drive. Temperature will drop to 10 degrees. That's -12 Celsius. With the wind, it will feel like -20 Celsius. Please don't drive after 6 p.m. Buy food today. Buy water. Charge your phones. And stay safe.
Wait, what? A blizzard? Tonight? I stop eating. My heart beats faster. I have seen snow before. Last winter, it snowed a little, maybe 5 centimeters. It was pretty. But this sounds dangerous. My stomach feels tight. My hands feel cold. I feel scared. 30 to 45 centimeters of snow? I don't know what that looks like. What if the power goes out? What if I get stuck? What if something breaks? I need help. I need to call Maria. Maria grew up here. She knows winter. She knows what to do.
Hello?
Maria, it's Anna. Did you see the weather news?
Yes, I did. Big storm tonight.
Maria, is it really that bad?
Yes, honey. This is a real blizzard. Real Michigan winter.
I feel scared. I've never been in a storm like this.
I know, sweetie. Blizzards are scary. Even for people from here. But listen, we don't panic. We prepare.
But what should I do?
First, we go shopping. We buy food, we buy water, we buy supplies.
Can you help me? I don't know what to buy.
Of course, that's what friends do. Put on warm clothes, a coat, a hat, gloves. I'll pick you up in 15 minutes.
Thank you, Maria. Thank you so much.
No problem, honey. See you soon. Okay, buckle up. Let's go to the supermarket.
The roads look okay now.
Yes, for now. But tonight they won't be.
Wow, so many cars.
Everyone is preparing. This is normal before a big storm. Come on, let's go inside.
Oh my God, so many people.
I know. Stay close to me.
What do we buy first?
Food that is easy to make. And food that lasts a long time.
Like bread?
Yes, grab 2 loaves.
Oh no, there's almost no bread left.
Yeah, people buy it fast. Grab what you can.
I got 1 loaf.
That's fine. Now we need milk, eggs, butter.
What about soup?
Yes, great idea. Canned soup is perfect for storms.
Why?
Because it's easy. You just open the can and heat it. Even if the power goes out, you can warm it on a gas stove.
Oh, I didn't think of that.
Get chicken soup, tomato soup, vegetable soup. Get 4 or 5 cans.
Okay, what about rice and pasta?
Yes, very important. They last forever. They don't need a fridge and they fill you up.
I'm getting rice and 2 boxes of pasta.
Perfect. Now, water. Very important.
Should I really buy water? I have water from the sink.
Yes, but sometimes the power goes out. And if the power is out too long, the water can stop. It doesn't happen often, but it can happen.
That sounds scary.
That's why we prepare. Get 2 packs of bottled water.
Okay, got it.
Now we need peanut butter, crackers, granola bars, things you can eat without cooking.
Why without cooking?
If the power goes out, you can't use the stove. Unless you have a gas stove. Do you have gas or electric?
I don't know.
We'll check later. Just buy things you can eat cold.
Peanut butter, crackers, granola bars. This is a lot of food.
Better to have too much than not enough.
You're right. Maria, what about candles and batteries?
Yes, good. You're learning fast.
Why batteries?
For your flashlight. If the power goes out, you need light.
I don't have a flashlight.
We'll get one and batteries. Okay, I think we have everything. Let's go pay.
Maria?
Yeah?
Thank you. I'm really glad you're here.
Me too, honey. Me too.
Okay, time to put everything away. Bread in the cupboard. Milk in the fridge. Soup on the shelf. Good. Now charge my phone. Done. Check the heater. It's working. Good. Close the curtains. Maria said that keeps the heat inside. Fill the bathtub with water, just in case the water stops. This feels strange, but Maria knows best. Okay, Anna, you're ready. Food? Check. Water? Check. Heat? Check. Everything will be okay. Wait, is that wind? I walk to the window. Oh no, it's starting. The sky is dark gray. The wind is blowing. Snowflakes are falling. Big white snowflakes. So many, falling fast. It's only 5 p.m., The reporter said 11 p.m. It's coming early. The wind gets louder. My house shakes a little. The windows rattle. My heart starts to race. This is real. Wait. Oh no. The bedroom window. I opened it this afternoon, just for a few minutes, for fresh air. Did I close it? I can't remember. I run to the bedroom. I open the door. Cold air hits my face. Snow is blowing into the room. The window is open. I run to close it. I grab the window. I pull, but the wind is too strong. Come on, come on. The glass breaks. What do I do? I need help. I call my father.
Hello? Anna?
Dad. Dad.
What's wrong? You sound scared.
A storm came early. The bedroom window, it broke. Glass everywhere. Snow is coming inside. I don't know what to do.
Okay. Are you hurt?
No, I'm okay.
Good. Now listen. Close the door to that room right now.
Okay, done.
Good. That stops the cold air. Now go to another room.
I'm in the living room.
Good. Turn on the heater.
It's already on.
Perfect. Anna, you are safe. You are inside. You have heat. The broken window is closed off. You are okay.
I was so scared, Dad.
I know, honey, but you did the right thing. You closed the door. You called for help. I'm proud of you.
Thank you. I feel better now.
Don't open that door tonight. Tomorrow morning, when the storm is over, you can clean the glass. For now, stay warm. Stay safe.
Okay, Dad.
I'll call you tomorrow morning.
Okay. I love you.
I love you too.
It's midnight. The storm is still going. The wind is so loud. I can't sleep. I sit on the couch, wrapped in a blanket, drinking hot tea. I look out the window. The snow is falling so thick, I can't see anything. Just white. It's beautiful and scary.
Anna, are you okay?
Maria, come in.
Thank God. I was so worried.
I'm okay. The night was scary, but I'm safe.
I tried to call you, but the phone lines were down.
My bedroom window broke.
Oh no, are you hurt?
No, I'm okay. My dad helped me on the phone. I closed the door and stayed here.
Good job. We'll clean the glass together. And I know someone who can fix the window.
Thank you. Look outside, Maria. So much snow.
I know, maybe 40 centimeters.
How do people drive?
They don't, not today. The city will send big trucks. Snowplows. They clear the roads.
How long will that take?
All day, maybe longer.
Wow.
Yeah, welcome to winter, Anna.
Hello? Anna?
Mr. James, good morning.
Morning, dear. I heard about your window. Are you okay?
Yes, thank you.
Good. Listen, I have a shovel. I'm going to clear the snow from my driveway. Would you like help with yours?
Really? You would do that?
Of course, that's what neighbors do.
Thank you. Can you teach me how to shovel snow?
Sure, it's not hard, just hard work. Put on your coat and boots.
Wow, it's so cold.
Yep, here, take this shovel. You push it into the snow, like this. You lift it, not too much at once. Then, throw it to the side.
Okay, let me try. Like this?
Perfect.
Oh, this is hard. My arms hurt already.
That's winter, but you're doing great.
Thank you. Mr. Janes,
Yeah,
why are you helping me?
Anna, in winter, we help each other. That's how we survive. When I moved here 40 years ago, my neighbor helped me. Now I help you, and someday you'll help someone else.
That's beautiful.
That's small-town America.
I am learning that a snowstorm can be scary, especially your first one. But you know what? You're stronger than you think. Anna learned something important. She learned that fear is normal, but asking for help is smart. She learned that in hard times, people help each other. If you are learning English, you are like Anna. You are brave. You are trying something new, and sometimes it's scary. But remember, you are not alone. Ask for help. Learn from others. Keep going. Thank you for listening to Real Talk English. I'm Sarah. Stay warm, my friend, and keep learning. Goodbye for now.